I know, I understand. Upgrading Python could be intimidating, especially if it's your first time. So in this video, we're going to upgrade Python using the most easiest UI-based solution. First, let's go ahead and check our current Python version. To do so, open up the command prompt. To make it easy to view, I'm going to go ahead and increase the font size of my command prompt. For that, you can either click this down arrow and go to settings, or you can right click and go to settings. Both will take you to the same place. Once this window opens up, go to the command prompt, scroll down, appearances, and then increase the font size to your desired font size. I'm going to make it a little bit extra big for this video. So I'm going to go ahead, put 25, click save, and then go back to the command prompt, and there you see it. And that's how you increase the font size of your command prompt. Now, let's go ahead and check our current Python version. To do so, type down lowercase python space minus uppercase v. There are multiple ways you can check the Python version, but for this video, we are going to stick to this method of lowercase python -v. As you can see, the latest version of Python on my machine right now is 3.12.0. We're going to increase this to the most latest version as of November 2025, which is 3.14.0. Now let's open up our favorite browser and go to the official Python website, python.org. Click on downloads. There are two ways you can do this. You can either download the manager or you can just download the standalone. I'm going to go ahead and download the standalone. So click on that, make sure where you're saving it, and then hit save. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Before you go ahead and click on install now, ensure to click on the add python.exe to path. Once you do that, go ahead and click install now. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, subscribe. You can let me know if there's any other video you guys want me to make. I really appreciate your feedback, so please do comment if there's any feedback on how I can make my videos better. You can also reach out to me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is same as my YouTube, which is The Silent Mercy. Please feel free to DM me, and I really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and verify the Python version. To do so, first close the command prompt and then reopen it. Once the command prompt is reopened, go ahead and use the same command that we used before, which is python-v. We have officially upgraded our Python version to the most latest version as of November 2025, which is 3.14.0. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.